Hello guys. In this video, I will explain whether it's possible to change the year on Google Earth, especially within the app. So, many people want to explore historical imagery, but let's dive in to see what's actually available. So, if you're using the Google Earth app on your phone or tablet, you might have noticed there's no option to adjust the year or view historical imagery. Unfortunately, this feature is not available in the app. Google Earth's mobile version is focused on a streamlined experience, so advanced tools like historical timeline aren't included. So, to access historical imagery and change the year, you will need to use Google Earth Pro on a desktop or laptop. This version will provide the full timeline tool, which allows you to scroll through imagery from different years. And in order to do that, you can simply navigate to any browser on your PC, go to the search bar, type in Google Earth Pro, hit enter, and it will show you this. Now, click on the download button here. After this, click on accept and download. Now, this will install it. You'll have to click on the open file button, click on yes. Now, this will take some time for the installation to be finished. After the installation gets finished, you can click on the Launch Earth button at the top right. So, after you click on Launch Earth, it will show up this page. Now, click on Get Started. Now, click on Explore Earth button. So, here you'll have to search for a place. For example, I will search Austin, Texas. I'll hit enter. Now, what you'll have to do is simply click on this small icon that is just after measure. After you click here, it will show up a toolbar where you can simply choose the timeline that you want to view. So, I will choose the year 2014 and it will show up how Austin, Texas looked like in 2014. If I choose 2007, it will show up this image. So you can scroll back using this bar at the top left. In 1985, Austin, Texas looked something like this. After that, in 2003, it looked something like this. So, you can choose any year at the top of this toolbar just by clicking on that small dot, and it will show up the imagery of that place quickly. You can also click on this small dash icon and it will view the newer imagery for that place. So that's a simple way you can change year on Google Earth app through which you can view old satellite images. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.